all boils down to one thing.
Let me favor this win first. Meron naman kaming 3 araw. We can go back to practice tomorrow. So for the next 24 hours, enjoy ko muna. First finals win ko. And siguro for UE.
Oh, in 22 years?
Yeah, in 20-something, whatever years, diba? So, that was favored for a while, but then we had to boil down to work. I'm sure Coach Norman will make the adjustment come game 3. So we have to watch out for that. Sabi ko na rin lang.
Coach, what can you say about your big men, Ari, tsaka Elmer?
They delivered big time. Wala kami pinofocus talaga. Ever since nung second round, we graduating na kayo, aalis na lang kayo. What can differentiate you guys from the previous UE greats of the past 23 years? When you've seen that mga PBA players from UE, what would you have that they don't? So yun lang lagi pinupush ko sa mga utak nila, diba? Let's make a difference, diba? Let's hopefully maging UE immortals of the 21st century.
What went right today?
What went right was our defense, finally. If you notice, Norman Black naman, he always feels the beam. So ako rin, i-share ko lang konti. We gambled on it, we gave them the outside shots, clamp the middle, finally, reduce yung output ni Raba against us. Yes, kasi pag UE, he plays his best game against us. So, doon, medyo, we tried to contain that.
Coach, yung stray points ng Ateneo, 7 out of 34. How can you...
Just like us in the first game, we shot 7 out of 30. So we just probably reverse the tide lang, di ba? Turn the tables on them.
At least itong team na to, hindi lang si Paul, yung ano, at least na yung dalawa mong nag-reverse na Elmer at Pari.
Yes. Even si Balacunya, tumulong pati si Duran, off the bench, he scored some points for us. Lahat ng klaseng tulong kailangan namin, finals na to. Saka 20 plus years na, kailan pa. So I told them, do we have to wait for 2032 bago natin like mapanalo yung championship ng UE. Nasa na tayo ng 2032.
Coach, dapat yung shooting yung pang mainit, mga 50% ata na isip niyo
eh. We had better games. Yung offense namin, so from the defensive team that UE was used to be known for, ngayon we're an offensive team. But yung premium namin sa defense nandun pa rin. Just instead that we adjust to different opponents.
May green light sila, Elmer, na mag-shoot 3 points, mga ganun.
Possible, we don't stop anybody. As long as it's free, comfortable, wag lang pilit, and it's well within naman yung ano ng offense ng team namin, then it's fine.
Coach, si JS 12-13, talaga napantayan niyo sa ngayon. Pwedeng game 1.
It's like this. It's always been said, it's the discipline of Ateneo versus yung emotions namin. So I did my homework a bit. So, yung discipline, may mga limitations yan. So they're not, maybe they're taught not to do mga certain things, like maybe 4 shots. So, minaksimate naman. Reverse ko naman yung discipline nila sa kanila. Alam ko na hindi titira ng basta-basta ang Ateneo. Alam ko mag-execute sila. So, we turned in new patience namin sa defense.
Coaching guards niya, sila Rafferty at Pinarda. Maganda pinakita yung mga guards niya.
If you want to win sa finals talaga, everybody should fill their roles. Mga may roles talaga yan. So, everybody should do their part. Lalo na to. Everybody was expecting a celebration there, out there right now. I was looking at the Raptors, looking for blue and white balloons. Pero hindi ko lang nakita. So siguro, hindi pa talaga siya meant to be pahulog today.
Yung coach, naging mas physical kayo sa game 2 unlike nung game 1.
I told the boys na we're playing the game of our lives. I told boys kanina, what are we gonna do tomorrow? After practicing for this several months, what are we gonna do? If we lose today, what are we gonna do tomorrow? Ibang tao, they go about their regular routines, may businesses, iba go to sleep. May mga ibang plano. Tayo, ano gagawin namin bukas? Matagal na titigal sa kita na yan. Not knowing what to do, wala nang practice. So, talagang we were basically fighting for our lives. At yun talaga yung buhay namin. Maiiba eh, ano gagawin namin bukas? Like, sabi ko, ayaw mo mag-practice bukas, like the usual things. Stretching, practice. Ipinusunod, wala na bukas, ano gagawin namin? Tunganga. So we dug deep. Talaga na sana pwede nga. Yung resulta na.
Ano expectation sa Thursday?
Wala pa. Ateneo sa lahat sinabi na natin, basketball program, support ng alumni, kita mo naman sa crowd, it's not like walang pera pabili ng ticket ng mga UE, but somehow napupunta sa kamay ng mga ng Ateneo yung mga tickets. Swerte na, if it's 75-25, swerte na yun. You see maybe a portion lang ang red, puro blue na, di ba? So, parang you're playing, kala mo, home and away. But then again, maybe that's where we tried. Di ba? Sabi ko sa mga boys, di ba, sarap ng ganun. Para tayo naglalaro sa ibang bansa lang, di ba? Tayo yung dayo.
So, last time si Conley of the bench niya, si Jagger naman. Ano sa game?
Hindi ko pa naisip. Tanungin mo ako sa where is this?
Meron na
Wala pa.
May surprises ka na lang.
So,
It will be different.
parang 50-50 naman ang team.
Oo naman. Hindi, baka siguro 60-40. Dahil may crowd na sa kanila pa eh. Di ba kailangan talaga magbingi-bingihan kami dyan. Kailangan eh. Pag bulag-bulaga, asul, kailangan pulatingin mo. Pero wala eh. Di ba tinuturo mo, pag mo, baka matuhin ka bigla. Yung matalikod mo mismo at yun eh. So talagang somehow, yung mechanics na yan, di ba nakukuha ng yung so how come pag ganun laging yung blue, so mo, ticket, di ba ganun kamahal yun, di ba? So somehow they always find their way to katipulan. Yung mga ticket. So all lang, if that's yun ang script na maging ganun, okay lang. Maging fairness sa atin na yung crowd, ano naman sila, civil. They're a good crowd.
Ano masasabi niya? First win in 24 years. Final
Lahat naman bago eh. When we won over FU nung game 1 sa Final Four, sinabihan ako, first playoff win in 11 years. Nung nanalo kami ng Final Four, first Final Four win in 25 years. Ngayon naman, ano no?
First finals win nyo in 24.
Nakatakot, parang nakakatindig na lang yun. Dalawang pwede mandaan natin. Agad.
Hopefully first championship.
Hopefully first, yun talaga, yun naman talaga ang objective yun. Sana mag-champion na. Sana bigay sa akin. Sana tapusin na yung matagal na paghihintay ng UP.
Coach, PBL last two conferences, dalawang upper match talo kayo. So, ano yung experience na madadala niyo for game 3?
Yung lesson ko, yung 5, siguro, yung 5 boys should have matured from then till now. So sabi ko nga, magandang experience doon. If you keep on winning, parang mas point tayo masyado. So yung mga talong gano'n at yung mga heartbreak, meron kami laging baon, may pinag-uusapan kami. Yung team namin naman, nagre-revolve din sa togetherness, sa bonding namin. Diba? Basta sama-sama lang kami. Mas tumibay lang.
Part of the plan ba yung opening pa lang, tira ng tira sa outside?
Yun naman talaga, I told my team, sabi ko sa kanila, binabatikos yung sistema namin. But then sabi ko, kung ano tayo, galingan na lang natin. I cannot tell you to become an Ateneo. I cannot tell you to become a Lacan. I cannot tell you to become a UST. Yun tayo eh. So let's just try to be better at kung saan man tayo. Kung ano man tayo, galingan na lang natin. So if we're running gun, galingan natin mag-running gun. Thank you.